Welcome to Unlocked Magic, powered by DVC Rental Store and DVC Resale Market. Today, I'm going to quickly walk you through linking your discounted Walt Disney World tickets to your My Disney Experience app. The first thing you have to do is make sure that you download the My Disney Experience app from the App Store and that you log into your Disney account. Once you open the My Disney Experience app and log into your Disney account, you can click the hamburger menu in the bottom right of the screen. Then you'll scroll down to the account settings area and click link to account. At the top, you'll see an option for type ID. And if you click type ID, you'll see at the top under admission media, there is a space to type in your ID number. That is the ID number that we will send to you in an email once you purchase your tickets through Unlocked Magic. Simply type in the number in the email and click link media. Once you've added your tickets, if you go back to that hamburger menu and scroll to the top, you'll see My Tickets and Passes. This is where your tickets will appear once they're linked to your My Disney Experience app.